Welcome to UTSA. In the following few minutes, you're going to hear about the services and support, including the Center for Military Affiliated Students, VetSuccess on campus, VITAL, the Military Affiliated Collaborative, our web resources, how to use your benefits at UTSA, work-study opportunities, and finally, our military affiliated scholarships. All of our staff are military connected, so we have all been where you are now. We are driven to provide the type of support we would want to have as military affiliated UTSA students, and will continue to work hard to make sure you have all the tools you need to be successful at UTSA and beyond. If you haven't already done so, please use the QR code provided to let us know more about some specific information you would like us to provide for you. We will also send you a copy of this presentation so you can revisit this information later. You are in good company at UTSA. We have the largest military affiliated student population of any UT system academic institution. We have a robust community of active duty, veterans, Guard reservists, family members, and ROTC cadets. As 15% of the student body, chances are good that there is another military connected student in your class. The military community is also well represented among UTSA's approximately 2,500 employees. Nearly 300 of us, or 12%, have worn the uniform. In short, the military affiliated community is strong, and at UTSA we go beyond being military friendly by recognizing veteran as a unique culture. Here, we are military inclusive. The Center for Military Affiliated Students, or as it is also called, CMAS, is one-stop shop for questions regarding the use of federal and state education benefits here at UTSA. We can help you get certified and understand how to use GI Bill, the Dependents Education Act, general VA benefits questions, and the Texas Hazelwood exemption. CMAS can also assist in getting you connected to the appropriate entities for military affiliated resources and other university offices. CMAS is located in the John Peace Library, room 112. We are down the hall from the food court and have a large camo rowdy head on our sliding glass doors. Our operating hours are from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and the contact information for CMAS is on the last slide of this presentation. The VetSuccess on Campus program, also known as VSOC, houses 2 Department of Veterans Affairs counselors at UTSA on a full-time basis. Please note that they are VA employees, not UTSA employees. They are available to assist the military-affiliated community with VA-specific topics, such as applying for and utilizing VA benefits, learning about VA and community-based resources, and helping students and prospective students maximize their VA benefits to reach their goals. The VSOC counselors are available for scheduled appointments in person and via video, and can also be contacted by telephone and email. They are located in the CMAS office suite on the first floor of the John Peace Library Building, JPL 112, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and their contact information is included on the slide. VITAL, the Veterans Integration to Academic Leadership, is a way the Veterans Healthcare Administration aids student veterans on campus and helps them get connected with VA healthcare. Tony Bravo Price, a VA licensed clinical social worker, joins us each week providing walk-in visits. She comes to us with over 20 years of social work experience working with veterans. Tony is available for veteran students adjusting to the new setting, culture, and experiences of university life. For questions about VITAL or to set up a visit with Ms. Tony Bravo Price, please call 210-992-5479. She is located in the CMAS for walk-ins each Wednesday, while phone and video visits are available on Thursdays and Fridays. The Military Affiliated Collaborative, also known as the MAC, is a student body organization whose mission is to provide resources to our military affiliated community. We bring resources here to you so you don't have to go out looking for them. By doing this, We hope that you're able to focus on your academics. We provide workshops, a mentoring program for transfer students and vets transitioning from the military to the civilian world, community outreach, and networking opportunities within the university and outside veteran-owned businesses. Some of our social activities include our resource fair, coffee with vets, military appreciation tailgating event, Dia en la Sombría, Max Giving, Best Fest, Bad Art Night, and Veterans Day events. You can find us on RowdyLink or by email at militaryaffiliatedcollab@gmail.com. All CMAS paperwork and walkthroughs for how to use your GI Bill, Dependents Education Act, and Hazelwood can be found on our website. The document uploader, which is used to turn in certification documents to our office, is on our website in the top right-hand corner. Our priority deadlines are located on our landing page and show the last dates to turn in everything to CMAS in order to receive certification before the start of the term. This does not mean we will not accept paperwork after these dates. We just can't guarantee that everything will be processed before the start of that specific term. Our website also contains resources for military-affiliated students and some information about VR&E. We are going to briefly go over the steps to using your GI Bill. First, and most importantly, you will need to apply for the benefit and receive a certificate of eligibility. You can find the information to apply located on our website, cmas.utsa.edu. This will take you 4 to 6 weeks to receive in the mail. If you are a veteran, you will then need to submit your CCAF and/or JST transcripts to ensure that you are not missing college credits given to you by the military. Next, you will need to meet with your academic advisor to register for classes. We cannot move forward with your paperwork until you're registered. Once you're registered, you will submit your certificate of eligibility, a certification request form to our document uploader on our website at cmas.utsa.edu. You will submit the certification request form every semester. This notifies us that you have registered for class and are ready to use your benefit for the semester. Once you submit your paperwork, a certifying official will process it in approximately 15 to 30 days of receiving the paperwork. Lastly, please submit a FAFSA for UTSA. This allows you to receive grants and scholarships as well as work study. For the Hazelwood process, first, the individual using the benefit will need the service member's DD-214. It must be a Service to or Member for form to show the type of discharge. The discharge type must say honorable. Next, the individual will need to show proof of no Chapter 33 GI Bill benefits in their name. You can do this by applying for a certificate of eligibility located on our website at cmas.utsa.edu. This will take you 4 to 6 weeks to receive in the mail. You cannot use Hazelwood and Chapter 33 benefits at the same time unless your certificate of eligibility states that you are awarded less than 100%. After this is done, the individual using the benefit will show proof of the Hazelwood hours used, even if never used before, from the TVC website. The individual will then complete and submit a Hazelwood application, along with any other documents based on the type of Hazelwood exemption they are using. You can turn in all documents located on our website, cmas.utsa.edu. You can see there are 3 different categories for Hazelwood. Dependent is when the veteran is 100% disabled. Everyone receives their own 150 hours of Hazelwood in this case. The legacy is when the benefit is passed down to the family members from the veteran and everyone shares the same 150 hours. The veteran is using their own Hazelwood benefit and receives 150 hours. Each category has their own requirements. Please ensure to check the checklist for what paperwork is needed in your case. Each checklist is located on our website, cmas.utsa.edu. All 4 service branches and the U.S. Coast Guard offer financial assistance for voluntary off-duty education programs in support of service members' personal and professional goals. Prior to using military tuition assistance at UTSA, please consult your unit or base education officer and enroll in the appropriate portal. Questions about tuition assistance should be emailed to thirdparty, spelled out THIRDPARTY, at utsa.edu. CMAS does not process tuition assistance. If you need more detailed information on the benefits and how to utilize them, please come to one of our benefit workshops. You can find the dates and times on our website under the Events tab and sign up for them. They are all located on Zoom, so you can enjoy the material from the comfort of your home. These workshops are also available to anyone who might want to get the same information, such as family members, or if you are the family member, the dependent may also attend the workshop. If you are using any of the 3 types of GI Bill, Chapter 33, Chapter 30, and Chapter 1606, any of the DEA benefits, Chapter 35 and FRI, or VRNE, you may qualify for a VA work-study position and could work in an approved VA work-study site. Veteran and Military Affairs here at UTSA is an approved VA work-study site, as well as the locations listed on the screen. If you are interested in being a VA work-study, you can apply on our website under the Resources tab. If you have further questions about VA work-study and how it works, please contact CMAS. Founded in 2019, the UTSA Veteran and Military Affiliated Scholarship has helped several students achieve their academic goals. Since its inception, our scholarship has evolved to help cater to all military-affiliated students. Please check out the scholarship at the UTSA Scholarship Hub to apply. Thank you for your time, and I hope you got some useful information. If you provided information using the QR code, we will send you a copy of this presentation. We also encourage you to visit our website to look through our checklists and our benefits videos. I hope that you will also sign up for one of our workshops to get more information about benefits and services that our VA partners provide on campus. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter to get the most up-to-date information about events, opportunities, and news. You can also visit us in the John Peace Library, room 112, from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Our call center can be reached at 210-458-4540 and is open Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. All times described here are central. You can also email us at any time, day or night, at cmas@utsa.edu. Once again, welcome to UTSA.